Hello students, in this video we will learn the formation of different type of image by the concave mirror. Okay, we have known that we have learned the introduction of light, reflection of light, plane mirrors and formation of images through plane mirrors in our previous video. And in this video we will learn the 6 cases of concave mirror and the 2 cases of convex mirror, from where the image will be formed when it is placed on that place. That point. Okay. Generally, students have to face difficulties while drawing the two-ray diagram in every topic. So now in this video, we will learn how to draw the image formation correctly. Look at carefully. In the first case, we have to put the object between the pole and the focus. Now let us see how I am drawing. I will draw the images. Okay, the first we have to put an object, that is arrow upward A and this is B. Okay, we have learned four rules of reflection, in which the first thing we have to show, when the ray of light goes parallel to the principal axis, it will return to the focus. And the next one is the ray of light that goes upward and return to the center of curvature. This is the rule of the ray of light. This is the rule of the formation of images. The two-ray diagram will always the first one goes to the parallel to the principal axis and the second one will goes as to cut the center of curvature. Now, this is the ray of light that is going to the mirror. This is the reflected ray of light. And now, the second ray is going parallel, it will return to the focus. See, it will return to the focus. Okay, it's a little bit lengthy, we have to discuss. It will return to the focus. Sorry, in board we have faced lots of difficulty while drawing. It will return to the focus. And now think. The distance between the two rays of light is going larger and larger, and it seems that it will not meet in the forward. So it is impossible to form to form an image in real form. So we exclude the ray of light in behind the mirror, and it will form like this. Hence, after going some times, it will intersect virtually and the image AB will form and enlarge. Okay, now what result we will get from these images? The first one, when the object is placed between the focus and the pole, the first ray of light goes parallel to the principal axis and it will reflect by cutting the focus, and the second one is that going diagonally and it will return to the center of curvature. That's the two rules we have to draw in the whole cases. Okay, now we have seen the distance between the two rays reflected rays are increasing. So it will impossible to meet in future forward. So we bring it back behind the mirror and we intersect them virtually. And now we will see the image formed will be enlarged, virtual and erect, and behind the mirror. Okay, the first case is clear and we will go to the second case. Okay, now in the second case we will learn where the image will be formed, what is the nature of the image when the object is placed at the focus. As we have seen, the first ray of diagram will go parallelly and return by cutting the focus, and the second ray of light will goes cutting the center of curvature. We have seen in this case both the ray of light are going parallel. Both the ray of light going parallel, so we can't bring back behind the mirror because यहाँ भी आपका ये parallel नहीं जाएगा. So it is impossible to form image. But somehow we assume that image will be formed at infinity. Suppose this point is at infinity. Suppose. So what is the nature of the image now? What will the nature of the image? When we extend the principal axis, an image is formed here. So we can draw a ray of light, and we will see the image formed will be real and inverted, and it is a highly enlarged image which is formed at the infinity. In third case, when the object is placed between the center of curvature and focus, we will see how the ray diagram will go on. The first ray diagram will goes parallel and cut to the and return to cutting focus, and the second one will go to the center of curvature and it will intersect below the principal axis, and the image will form here like this. It means the object that is placed like this, the formation of image will be like this. So we can say that the image will be formed behind the center of curvature, and the nature of the image will be inverted, real and enlarged, and the place where it is formed is behind the center of curvature. So the fourth case is, what will happen if if the object is at the center of curvature? In the fourth case, where the object is placed itself on the center of curvature, there is some changes in the rule in the formation of images. See what are the changes. In the previous cases, we will draw the first ray that is going perpendicular to the principal axis and reflecting back, cutting the focus, and the second ray diagram will goes to the center of curvature by cutting itself. But now there is a change because the object is itself on the center of curvature. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग rule 3 यूज करेंगे, और वो ये था कि when the ray of light is going to the focus directly cutting, it will return parallel to the principal axis. So now you will understand how the image will be formed. Okay, guess the answer. Okay, the ray of light, first case, going parallel to the principal axis, cutting the focus, and the second one is cutting the focus and returning to the principal axis. So what is the nature of the image? Can you guess? Okay, the nature of the image will be same. It is real and inverted. Okay, what is the size of the image? So it is as same as the object. And what is the place? The place is just below the center of curvature or on the center of curvature. So in the fourth case, we learned the formation of image is, the nature of image is real and inverted on the center of curvature, and the size of the image is as same as the object. We will see the case 5 that shows the object is placed behind the center of curvature. Okay, now here we will use the same rule again. The first one is going parallel to the principal axis, returning focus, and the second one is going to the center of curvature and coming on the same path that will intersect between the center of curvature and the focus, and the formation of image will be diminished, which means smaller in size, real and inverted, and the place of the image is between the center of curvature and the focus. It is the fifth case. And the sixth case is that when the ray of light is coming from the infinity, we will assume that it is coming parallel. Okay, the parallel to the principal axis. So the case fourth here we use when the ray of light is, when the first ray of light is going, and it will return by making the same angle as we assume the principal focus as a normal. We will see this angle and this angle will be the same, and the second one will is coming to the parallel, it will intersect here, and the image and the formation of image will be at focus, and the size of the image is highly diminished, which is very small in size. So now we have come to an end of this video where we will learn the formation of image by concave mirror. We know that there are only two cases we have to study in class 10th, where the image formed by a convex mirror. Okay, we will see something that will help us in understanding this diagram well. The rule of the image is formed in the concave convex mirror. That is, if the ray of light is coming parallel, it will go backward, and we will bring it virtually to cut the focus. This is the rule we have studied in the case of concave mirror, as same as in this cases. Something like this, the object is coming, when the ray of light is coming like this will go. This is the some cases that we have to recall before understanding the images. Listen. The first case is when the object is placed between infinity and pole. It means the object is placed anywhere between the infinity and the pole. So the process of formation of image is like this. The first ray of the light will go directly to the center of curvature, and the second ray will go parallel to the focal principal axis, that will be virtually bring to the cut the focus, and the second one is return to the same path, and it will intersect between the focus and the pole. The nature of the image is virtual and yet the size of the image is diminished. It means the image जो है यहाँ पर छोटा बनेगा in comparison with the object. Okay, in the second case, when the object is completely placed at the infinity, the formation of image will be on focus and it is highly diminished. It means very small. Listen how it will form. First ray of light will go and it will form an angle. We have seen in the last case of concave mirror, and the second one that it will go directly to the center of curvature, and by this it will intersect on the focus and the formation of image will be so small. Hope you will learn how to draw the image, how to after the formation of image through the concave mirror, through the convex mirror. Okay, now in the next class we will learn the mirror formulas and numerical based on mirror formulas. Till then, take care. Bye bye.